Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced peach tea at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need good quality black tea bags, fresh, ripe peaches, some sugar, and of course, water. Selecting fragrant peaches ensures a naturally sweet and vibrant flavor for your refreshing drink. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfect beverage. Next, we'll brew the tea base. Bring 4 cups of fresh water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and add 4 to 6 black tea bags. Let them steep for about 5 minutes to achieve a strong, flavorful base. After steeping, remove the tea bags and allow the tea to cool down completely. This step is crucial for a clear, refreshing iced tea. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation, just like a perfectly brewed iced tea brings freshness to your day, don't let a stale car ruin your drive. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. You can find the link in the description below, along with other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's create our delicious peach simple syrup. Slice 2 ripe peaches into small pieces. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Add the sliced peaches to this mixture. Bring it to a simmer and cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, strain the syrup to remove the peach solids, leaving you with a smooth, sweet peach essence. With your tea cooled and syrup ready, it's time to combine them. Pour the peach simple syrup into the cooled black tea. Stir well to ensure everything is thoroughly mixed. Taste the tea and adjust the sweetness to your liking. You can add more syrup for a sweeter drink or a little water to dilute it. Finally, chill your iced tea in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours for optimal refreshment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.